Guys, do you want to know how to install Apache Tomcat web server on your Windows machine? So this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to install Apache Tomcat web server. So do follow my video till end if you want to have successful installation. Also guys, I will be creating separate video for how to use Apache Tomcat in Eclipse and NetBeans. So you can watch that video also. I will be giving link in description box, as well as you can click on I button to watch that. So guys, let's start the video. You can open any of your favorite browser and just search for Tomcat download. And guys, here you can see the official website tomcat.apache.org. You need to just select this link. It will redirect you to this website, and here left side you can see different versions available, downloads available. I'm going to select the latest one, Tomcat 11, and guys, here you can see it's showing me Tomcat 11 software downloads. And guys, here you can see they have given one note that the API has been changed from JavaX to Jakarta. So wherever you were using JavaX, now you have to replace that Jakarta. So now let's download. So just scroll down, and here you can see we have a binary distributions available. So here you need to select this last option, Windows Service Installer. It has started downloading. Here the download is done. Now I'm going to simply click on this MSI file, guys. Let me minimize my browser. And this is a welcome page. I'm going to simply click on next button. This is license and agreement. Just click on I agree. And here choose component. We have to select the host manager example. So just select it and click on next button. Now this is a Tomcat basic configuration page where it is showing Tomcat connector port. So by default it is taking port number 8080. You can change it later on, or here also you can change it. And in Windows service name, it is going to give this name to my Tomcat server. So in Windows service, you can see by this name. Okay. And now here for Tomcat administrator login, you can provide username and password. So you can provide any username and password. Here I'm giving admin as username, and some password I'm providing. After that, guys, you need to just click on this next button. And here guys, it is showing me JDK location. So it has selected whatever JDK install on my system. So I'm having all the latest software in my system. So here it has taken JDK. And now guys, this is a destination folder where your Tomcat will be installed. So it will go to program files, Apache Software Foundation, under that Tomcat. Okay, so just click on this install button, and guys, the installation is done. Here it's showing me completed Tomcat setup, and it's showing me two options, run Apache Tomcat and show readme file. So I'm just unchecking this show readme file. I'm selecting run Apache Tomcat so that my server will start, because I would like to show you that my server is running. So just select it and click on finish button, guys. As soon as you click on finish button, you can see in your system tray, here we have what? Apache Tomcat running. You guys can see here it's showing me Apache Tomcat running. Okay, now I will take you to Windows services. So in search box, simply type services, and here guys, you can see Tomcat is also running in Windows services. So sometime you get error that server is not running. So you can check here that whether server is running or not. Now I am opening browser, and there I am typing localhost:8080 just to show you, just to verify that whether the installation is successful or not. And guys, you can see it's showing me the welcome page of Apache Tomcat. And here you can click on server status just to check whether server is running. So all these are not the requirement of installation, just to verify whether it is successfully done or not. Just provide the username and password, and you can see this page, guys. So as this way you can install Tomcat server on your system. I hope by following my video you are successfully able to install Tomcat on your system. So guys, if my video has helped you in installation, do hit on like button. And if you have any kind of query, you can put in comment box, or you can ask me your queries through my Instagram also. But if you want to ask query, you need to follow me. Otherwise, I won't be getting your messages. So just follow me and then ask me queries. And guys, if you need free PDF material related to computer science, IT or interview question, you can join my Telegram channel. All my social media link I have given in description box. You can join or follow through that. Guys, for creating such video, it require lots of effort. So if you really like my video, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. I'm creating lots of video related to computer science and IT. So do subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching this video till end. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, keep watching, keep learning. Take care. Bye bye guys.